Okay, Meenakshi Lekhi, it's going to be better. That's what Mr. Rao is saying. He's been to the areas. I've also been to the areas. I was there in Phulpur when Rahul kicked off his official campaign. A telling remark was made by a barber to me as he went about his work and I was interviewing him. He said, Rahul अच्छे हैं, लेकिन लोग उनको वोट नहीं देंगे क्योंकि वो समझते नहीं है कि यहां समीकरण कैसा है, क्योंकि यहां अभी भी कास्ट चलता है. So, what is really, what are you picking up? What is the BJP's game plan? What are your internal inputs as far as this whole jamboree we've seen, this whole campaign that has gone on for months together? Is it going to affect? Is the BJP worried, or are you also optimistic about your chances?
No, we are very optimistic about our chances for the simple reason we started a bit late. And so far as Congress is concerned, there is a lot at stake because they started, and it is basically projection of Rahul, which was meant to be decided through UP. And the whole campaign has been building not from now but for past several months, if not a year. And that's been going on right from media. And we can also analyze how the reporting and how whatever news we are getting. First, Rahul campaign tried his level best. And we've had cases where in his rally, people and students especially came with black flags, etc.
Yes.
And they were beaten up by a couple of cabinet ministers, two of them. And thereafter, and these are the route, I mean, this is what is happening on the ground. Plus, Rahul Gandhi throughout his campaign has not taken any press conferences, is moving from flipping from one place to the other, has not really addressed the media or any of those things, as is usually the process of the people who are campaigning. Then his charisma didn't work, and recently we hear Priyanka Gandhi being brought in.
Yes.
Priyanka lost her sheen, so Priyanka's children being brought in. Even that was making a difference or not making a difference. Then Robert Vadra takes out a car rally, motor rally, and motor rally in a state where EC has been very strict, and EC usually permits only 3 vehicles and not more than that. And under those rules, they flouted that rule and brought in, and instead of shifting or issuing any censure to Robert Vadra, they have had the officer transferred. So, now even if that is not working, Sonia Gandhi has been brought in. Now they are taking everything now, and within the party different voices are coming out. They started with 9% reservation within reservation for minority on the basis of religion, then OBC reservation, Muslims are covered. Now that didn't work, they go to OBC reservation, Ati Dalit, Mahadalit, whatever combination. Now that doesn't work, so they are trying to use everything under the belt to hit back,